We have several questions dito sa kay Pastor Kibuloy, Mr. Chair. I think it's about time that we call Mr. Chair for Pastor Kibuloy na pumunta dito at to answer our questions, our specific questions. Ano po? Kasi, Mr. Chair, siguro last time naman, na-request naman na natin ito eh. Heads of agencies come here in Congress para tayo ay sagutin sa mga mahalaga nating tanong. And we would like to, siguro dapat, it's about time na paupuin po natin, paharapin po natin, at matanong natin ng diretsyo si Pastor Kibuloy dito sa mga katanungan natin kasi hindi po ito masasagot ng attorney lang, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The Honorable
Mr.
Vice
Chair,
Next.
that is correct, Representative Rosas. We have already invited not only once but on several occasions Pastor Apollo Cobiloy to attend this hearing, considering that there are so many issues that needs to be clarified, lalo na yung pangalan niya ay nandyan sa Suarasug. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I move that this committee issue a show cause order to Pastor Apollo Cobiloy why he should not appear here. So move, Mr. Chair.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Motion.
Chairman,
Was he authorized? Was he invited?
Chairman,
Subpoena.
Chairman,
Okay.
Chairman,
Yes,
procedural lang.
Yeah.
Procedural
Yeah,
lang, Mr. Chairman.
correct.
There's a modification.
Okay.
I would like to amend my motion, considering that this is very important. I'd like to move that we issue, this committee rather issue a subpoena to Pastor Kibuloy to compel him to be present during the next hearing. And may we remind Attorney Mark Tolentino that after the subpoena, if Pastor Kibuloy does not appear, then we will be constrained to request for a warrant of arrest for him to appear here. Or rather, to move for a contempt order, and after he will not, hindi pa rin siya sisipot, yun na yung warrant. That's what I meant. So, Mr. Chair, on my previous motion, again, I move for the issuance of subpoena to Pastor Kibuloy to appear on this committee. So move, Mr. Chair.
Motion by the Vice Chair Pimentel, duly seconded. The chair in objections. The motion of the Honorable Pimentel is approved.